Hi, this is Sushil here. In the last video, I taught you about Thermodor chart. In today's video, I will be teaching you about stat column composite chart. And this type of graph is used for cash inflow and outflow. How much cash is come and how much cash is gone. So let us see a sample data of this. So this is my sample data. You can download this sample data from my description. Now this is the data. Now I have given you some year wise, I have given you some target sales, and these are my three departments, and that is their expense. So I would like to create a graph of this. So just click inside, press Ctrl A. So when you press Ctrl A, the entire data gets selected. So you can click on Insert and click on this icon. This icon is called as your dialog box. Click on All Charts and click on Column. Now you will not take clustered because now we are going for Stat column. So I've clicked on my this option called as stat column. So when you click on it, this is how it looks. Okay. Can place it down below and can make the adjustment, that is make the size a little bigger. Then down this below is there, this target says HFD RAD. That also I would like to make the formatting. Click. When you click this, entire thing gets highlighted. Home option. Make the size a little bigger. Thus increasing the size. Same thing with the down legend. Click on this legend. Home option. Then this also you can make it size a little bigger. And I would like to give a background color also. Chart design you come and click on black background, so it looks better. Okay. Now this target sales is the HFD. This should come here and this should go on top. So you have to switch. Click on your graph. Click on your chart design and come here. Switch rows and columns. So when you say switch rows and columns, it gets switched over here like this. Now this blue color is there, that is your target sales. So this again can make it little sizes become small actually. Again can make it size bigger. I'm just adjusting the size. Then home option, this also. Yeah. So now this blue color is there, that is your target sales. And this all the different colors you see, maroon color, green, and this purple color, all those are your different department. So now this blue color is there. This has to come on top first. So you click on this blue, that is your target sales. Then you right click by mouse and come here, change series chart type. So once you click on that option, you will have a button called as this like this. So just tick mark on HFD, that is a department. So just click over here, HFD, then RAD, and CDFD. Don't click on target sales. Now you can say it. Okay. So as you can see that target sales, that blue color is gone on top now. Now you click on this green color, that is any of your department from you can click, right click, and there's an option called as format data series. So when you click on this option of yours called as right clicking on this green, right click and format data series, when you do, you get this option like this, format data series. Now over here there's an option called as gap width. At the moment it is 150. So if I drag it little less, if I make it 60% or 40% or 20%, it is going to show you like this. But this is not what we want actually. So just drag it and drag it up to 400%, more than 400%. I have taken 479. You can take according to your choice how you want it. It should be more than 400. That is better. Then leave it. See. So this blue color is your target, and these are your three different departments can expense. So you can close it. So this is how it should look actually. Then if you want to show the values, that is the values on the other thing, how much expense was done, click on this purple color, that is the first department. Click on this plus sign, data, that is chart elements and data labels. So you can show the values over here. Same thing you can do with the green one also, data labels. And same thing you do with the maroon one, data labels. So it shows you the values also. If you want to change the size, you can click home option. Size can be made a little bigger like this. I'm taking a size of 14. You can take according to your choice. Color you can give. I'm just giving some orange color. I'm making it bold also. The same thing I'm giving for this also. That is your RAD. Click on the label. Again, click on your home tab. Size I'm making little bigger. Then color and bold also. Same thing I'm doing with my HFD department also. Click on the values, home, size, then bold and color. So, so this is how this graph should be looking actually. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.